Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today I am back out at Toll Brothers in Skye Canyon, which is in the Northwest. And today we're focusing on the Paloma Collection, anywhere from about 2,300 to just over 2,500 square feet. I'm excited to show you around, so let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes happening here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. So today I am pleased to have a co-star with me today. This is AJ Massey with Legacy Power.
Correct.
And he's going to be touring with me today, taking a look at this particular home. Now we're going to be looking at the Nola floor plan, which is their largest floor plan that they have right now. It's just over 2,500 square feet, and it's been their absolute most popular floor plan.
Interesting.
Yeah, so we're going to take a look at the Nola, and then after we tour the Nola, we have some exciting news about what's happening next out here in Paloma and how that might be a great opportunity for you.
Sounds like a plan.
Yep, you ready to get started?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Cool.
All right, so this again was their most popular model. And this particular floor plan, out of the three that they have right now, is the only one that has a bedroom and bath down.
Okay.
So again, very popular, and people really do like to have that option, and this particular floor plan does offer that.
Nice.
Yeah.
So they have options, is what you're saying. Right.
So what I love is just how nice and open this is when you first walk in. And you see what I love too is this foyer right here. It's open. You've got essentially a two-story foyer, which I think is really nice.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of like looking over the balcony style in certain homes. So it's like you have every area up there to do so.
Yeah, I just really, again, it's a really nice touch. And then you walk into your main living area. Obviously with Toll Brothers, they always do a beautiful job. So this particular home obviously has plenty of upgrades. So you have the fireplace, which is obviously an upgrade.
Right.
And this flooring, I believe, is LVP, which is that luxury vinyl plank,
Okay.
which is super duper popular.
So does that come standard with every design of the house, or is it?
No.
Okay.
So something about Toll Brothers, and it was funny because we were just talking to the sales agent prior to us coming out here. So really with Toll Brothers, especially when you walk into their models, everything is really an upgrade.
Okay.
And really what they do with Toll Brothers versus some of the other builders out there is that they really sell that as an opportunity to kind of make the home your own.
Right.
So instead of like some builders that we visit have like, 3 or 4 different color palettes that you can choose from, and that's pretty much it. Toll Brothers, for the most part, I mean, I don't want to say completely, does have a little bit more of a carte blanche policy.
Okay.
You go down to their their design center, and you can pick out absolutely everything.
Okay. So they're not limited. They can personalize.
Exactly. So you can personalize. It's great because you can absolutely personalize your floor plans. The challenge being though is that, if you have a certain budget or a certain range you want to stay in, you just have to be careful not to go too crazy at the design center. So just something to think about.
Makes sense.
But so no, everything here is an upgrade. So here they did the quartz countertops. I love this faucet. Isn't this pretty?
Yeah.
And is this one, because I was in one, oh, this is the same thing. I was in one last week that was magnetic.
And there's these like motion too to like tap.
Oh yeah.
I don't think so.
Maybe.
But not beyond.
It's funny. It's great unless you have a cat.
Right.
Because then like we have a cat, so I could see our cat being like, turn the water on.
It'd be an expensive water bill if I was running all day.
It would be an expensive water bill. So what's beautiful here is it's just a nice open kitchen. I love the island. And then you have this huge slider to the backyard. I'm always wondering like if this opens or not. So AJ, see if it opens.
Okay.
You can be my guinea pig for that.
Nope. Yep. There we go.
Yay! Okay. So I love like, see how this opens like that?
Yeah.
It's sort of like French doors, right? Like French door sliders. And this is a pretty good representation as far as how large the home sites are.
Okay.
Right now they have home sites available while we're filming.
Right.
They have some great home sites available along the back wall.
Okay.
So you would actually get some really nice mountain views,
Right.
which is really
That's
nice.
always
so
a
it's
plus.
Like back over on that on that side. That they would back to Iron Mountain, which is that road right behind us over here.
Gotcha.
And then, are you a barbecue person?
I have a smoker. My dad has a bunch of them, but this is awesome.
Isn't that amazing?
I always wanted something like this. Just cook some steaks, you know.
Yeah. Holy cow, it's really heavy. Wow. Yeah, this is super nice.
Nice.
I'm not even familiar with this brand, to be honest with you.
Bull?
Bull.
They're probably.
I guess probably appropriate for a barbecue, but
Exactly.
yeah, so this is all gorgeous. Of course, all of this is an upgrade, but it really just gives you an idea of what you can do in your backyard.
Oh, I got a mini fridge.
Yeah.
Nice.
And luckily, it's not too hot out here today. A couple more weeks and it will be super hot.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that.
Yeah, no, neither am I.
120 degrees is not ideal. So.
And what's nice too about this community is that, of course, you have access to all of the Skye Canyon amenities.
Okay.
So they've got a great fitness center here. They have a pool. They have a really nice coffee bar called Aspire. I've been over there a couple times. Okay. However, in addition, this particular community will also have its own community pool.
Okay.
So you really have a choice between staying here within your community, or just down the street, you have everything for Skye Canyon as well.
So they give you options to branch out. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Here, let's go take a look at the bedroom downstairs, because I know I did mention that earlier. We'll take a look at that as well. So we're talking about the kitchen. Now this side of the home is where you have the bedroom on this main floor. So not a huge room, but it is nice. It's probably about 10 by 11.
Yeah, this would be like a good guest room.
Mm-hmm, good guest bedroom, or for a parent or something like that. And then this one would have its own bathroom, and here they have it built out with a big walk-in shower.
Nice. Oh, the finish is good too.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, I like the black.
Isn't that pretty?
Black and white.
And I love that
really
it's all the way to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And then over here, I know we kind of walked right by it, but it's pretty cool. Over here, you've got another little room that would make a great office.
Right.
Or a study, or or just a den. Obviously, they have it built out here with shelving and everything like that. But you could. I would make it into a little gym. I could put my spin bike in here.
Yeah, I would say gym, or gym's good. Or
Gym,
office.
right? Yeah.
I would almost put even one of those barn doors.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I don't know if the spacing would work, but that
yeah, you could put
good.
one here. Yeah.
Just to block it off a little bit, but then have access.
Have some
to
privacy if you were going to be in this space. What's nice is you're still really a part of the rest of the home, but it has like a little alcove essentially over here. So now AJ and I are going to go take a look at the upstairs.
Yes, sounds good.
All right, so now we're hanging out upstairs. How cool is this?
Right, we just teleported here.
I love this. This is just such a great space. I mean, definitely I kind of see this as obviously not a teenager anymore, but like a teen hangout space or something like that. Yeah. You can make it into like a homework area, but that would be kind of boring. But you could put a big screen TV up here, put in this wet bar, and really make it just sort of like a nice little additional entertainment center.
Yeah, kind of like
right?
a theater style in a way.
Yeah. I think it's a really nice space, and I love. Remember when we walked in, it's open to below. So I think it really keeps it feels really open up here. It doesn't feel like you're scrunched.
I was about to say, I don't feel congested.
Right.
There's a lot of open space, room to move around and, make it your own.
Absolutely. And the thing is, the house, isn't that large. I mean, we're only at about 2,500 square feet, which isn't obviously small, but it's not a huge house.
Right.
But it feels really spacious. And I think one of the reasons why is just the ceilings are pretty high. It's open to below. You have this beautiful railing, on either side of you. So it feels really open.
And with it being centered, like the natural lighting in here is pretty awesome.
So you can see why that this has really been one of their most popular floor plans. Because there's just such great use of space. You have the loft up here where we are right now. Downstairs, you've got that little alcove room, right? That could be used as a gym or something else. And then, of course, you also have that bedroom down.
Right.
And then up here, you have obviously your primary bedroom, your laundry, as well as additional bedrooms. So let's go take a look at those. And they did, of course, the flooring throughout the second floor. They even did it in one of the bedrooms here. So this bathroom is a full bath here, and the 2 bedrooms over here would have access to that. And these bedrooms are actually pretty good size.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Would you say they're equivalent, maybe a little bit bigger than the one downstairs?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit bigger than one. These feel like more like, I don't know, maybe 11 by 12 or something like that, and that is just a guess.
Right.
But that's kind of what it feels like. And then you have another bedroom over here with obviously its own closet. And then I like that because then the primary bedroom is really on the other side.
Right, kind of tucked away.
Tucked away, so some privacy. Upstairs laundry, which is really nice, really convenient. I love the floor that they did in here.
The pattern's nice.
Yeah, it's just fun. And then I think this is a pretty good sized linen closet, if I recall correctly. Yep, so you've got your linen closet here. And then, oh wow, look at the primary, it's pretty.
I like that chandelier light fixture.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And I love, they do a lot of this at Toll Brothers because Peter and I have been to a lot of Toll Brothers models recently. And I love these finishes that they do on the walls because it's just such like a nice added extra, I think. And I'm sure you could probably do it at the design center.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's not cheap or, but I mean, obviously it certainly adds quite a bit as far as design.
Right.
Oh, and here's your barn door. Take a look at this.
My favorite. And the color is nice. It matches well with the floor.
Yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah, it does. It matches the floor really well. And you get some privacy. And then here you can see where they've been building. And you can even see, Peter, I don't know if you can show them, where that community pool is right down from here. So that's a pretty big pool. That's nice, that's right down there. So that's a community pool for this particular area. And here's your primary bath. Nice big shower.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's pretty spacious.
Yeah, gorgeous shower, good sized closet. I'm a big closet person.
Yeah.
And you said your girlfriend is in the closet business, right?
Yeah, so she is a sales design for inspired closets here in Las Vegas.
Okay.
And
Well, you'll have to put a little bit more info towards the end
Right.
if you're interested. If somebody's interested in having closet build outs, we're definitely going to give his girlfriend a shout out at the end
100%.
with her information if you're
Right.
interested in getting your closet built out.
Exactly.
Obviously, that's important. And if you're buying a Toll Brothers home, I'm sure you want a beautifully appointed closet after you move in. So that might be a great opportunity.
I know I would. So.
Yeah, exactly. So you can see why, I mean, this is a great house. I mean, when we've spoken to the on-site sales agents, I was here over the weekend, and apparently this again is their best-selling model.
Okay.
So with that, they've been building a lot of this floor plan, which is called the Nola.
Okay.
So one of the things that they've decided, which doesn't happen very often, is to build 2 more models.
Okay.
Wow. So we're going to talk about, let's go head back downstairs and we'll talk about it.
Sounds good.
Okay, so that was fun. Thank you so much for touring this model with me. And you can
you.
see why it's so popular, right? I mean, it's a
Right.
great house. I think it's just a great use of space. And what I was sharing with you upstairs is this floor plan. And this has, I've been doing, new home sales in some form for a long time. And it rarely happens that one particular floor plan is really the sales leader, and to the point where they need to build more models. I mean, that's pretty rare. So I think the combination of the open loft space, the fact that this has the bedroom and the bath down, that I think they really felt there was some demand to do some new floor plans. So here they're going to be doing the Porto and the Sarno.
Okay.
Sounds like Italian food, I
Right,
suppose.
some sort of Italian dish.
And the Porto is going to be 2,733 square feet. The base prices start in like the mid 560s, and then the larger one is the Sarno. It's 2,897 square feet, so almost 2,900 square feet. And that's priced about $575. And those are base prices. By the time you add in your lot premium and structural upgrades and all of your options at the design center, right now, and again, at time of filming, it looks like, especially with these larger floor plans, you're going to end up just around $700,000. And I think the expectation is with these larger floor plans, you're going to be touching into the $750,000 and maybe a beyond range by the time you put everything in there. And like I said, both of these come with the bedroom and bath down. Those floor plans won't be ready until fall, probably. So now is actually, while they're still don't have those models built, right now is a really great time to check out the floor plans. We will have the floor plans in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. So take a look at those. And again, if you're interested, please reach out. And then AJ, share with us a little bit about Legacy Power.
Okay, so again, my name is AJ Massey. I work for Legacy Power. I'm a general manager for the company. A little bit about us, we've been in business since 2014, so going on 10 years. We're in 26 plus states, and due to the mandate here in Las Vegas, we need more people to go solar. So by going solar here, it protects you, it's good for the environment, and overall, I've had success over the 5 years of me being in the industry, just helping homeowners in general. Power bills get really crazy here in Nevada.
Pretty soon, right? Like any minute now, it's going to be
Yeah.
over. I think next week starts over 100 is really when it starts.
Right, and that's when people's bills get out of control. Some of them look like a second mortgage payment. So the whole goal is just to help every single homeowner and at least educate them on how the program works, and if it makes sense for them, I'm the guy to help them out with it.
Well, and thank you so much for being in our video today. So we'll have all of AJ's, up on the screen will be all of AJ's information about how to get in touch with him. If you'd like to know more about solar, and then we wanted to plug Sandy as well for closets, right?
Correct, yeah. So my girlfriend, her name is Sandy Scammon. She works for Inspired Closets here in Las Vegas, and they do custom garages as well. So,
oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, so if you're looking at a new home build and you want to add your twist to the closet and the garage, she's the perfect person to contact.
Great, so we'll put her contact information right here as well. So if you'd like to get a hold of Sandy, we'll have her information up. But great, honestly, doing a closet like that and the garage, that's such a great idea.
Yeah, it's so cool, because then you can just custom and make it your own touch rather than it just being simple,
Just something else. Or even if you're buying a resale home, right, and it's
Right.
maybe not exactly what you want. Also for resale homes, solar, especially older homes, right?
Correct.
Solar can really make the difference in what those summer bills look like. So again, for more information on solar or closets, we'll put the information down below, and we'll also have it over on our website and our blog for that information. Thanks so much for watching our video today. We love having you. I hope you're enjoying our content. Please make sure to subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.